One day they're doing the experiment. They have their slit open. They inadvertently leave the other slit open. They had devised a photon gun that was able to shoot individual photons through that slit. And they experimented with it. With one slit open, sure enough, they could shine the light, the photon gun, aim it right at that slit. And if they did, like a tiny little BB, it would go right through the slit and make an imprint directly behind the slit, just like a little bullet on the photographic plate. They tried it with the other slit open. They did not aim the photon gun at that other slit. They aimed the photon gun at the slit here on the left. They were blown away as to what happened next. They shot photon from their photon gun right through that slit. The other slit's open, remember that. That photon did this. The photon behaved as if it knew the other slit was open. And instead of acting like a particle, it acted like a wave. Who knew the other slit was open? The scientist knew the other slit was open. That subatomic so-called particle behaved in accordance with the belief and expectation of the scientist. And that happens again and again in quantum physics. That's why quantum physics is so strange. Science normally wants to stand outside and separate from the experiment, but in quantum physics you're always involved in the experiment. Let me say again, at the subatomic level, reality behaves in accordance with the expectation of the observer, or the measurer, the scientist. Why is that remarkable? Because everything in the universe is composed of those subatomic particles. What does that mean? That means that reality behaves and responds in accordance with our beliefs and expectations. That is why I have referred to us as being co-creators. That is actually the gift from God to us. That is why, and in the manner in which we are in the image and likeness of God. We partake of God's energy, our souls do, and we are co-creators. The problem is we are unconscious co-creators. You see, because unfortunately we were never taught to understand that we create our own reality. We stumble along in life and things happen to us and we don't really know why. We don't know how we accomplish what we accomplish. It seems to just happen. The fact of the matter is that we are, remember the sophists in ancient Greece, we are not the observers of the universe, nor are we the source of the universe. We are the measure of the universe. We are directly connected to the universe at its base. And therefore, every belief and every expectation directly contributes to the formation of reality. In my next talk, I'm going to explain exactly what you need to do to create a better reality for yourself.